I really like SQLite. It's the most used database out there. It's rock solid and it gets the job done. Recently, I was annoyed by something when working with a SQLite database. Let me show you. It's about table headers. Let's open SQLite with a test database. Call it playaround.db. We don't have any tables yet, so let's create one. Create table. Let's say guests. It's just an ID, which is an integer, and a name, which is text. Then insert a few values. 1 for Mary and 2 for Joe. All right, now let's look at this table. We have Mary and Joe. But watch out, we don't have the table header here, which is quite annoying, right? Now we know that this is the ID and this is the name. But later on, we are not going to know that. There is a workaround for it. It's called a meta command. Headers on. Note that this is not an SQL statement. This is a special command for the SQLite command line interface. And now we have the ID and name. However, they are a bit off, right? Let's see if we can fix that. That mode to column. Let's see if this works. All right, this is already much better. Now, if we exit SQLite and then open the database again, we have the same situation. So what can we do about that? Here is the solution. In the current home directory, create a file called .sqlite.rc. So it's basically a resource file for SQLite. And here add the earlier commands. We want the headers on and the mode column. Save it and exit. Again, this file must be in the home directory. Let's open the database and see the difference. If we now select from guest table, all right, we have the table headers and they are nicely aligned. Beautiful. I hope this tip helps you work easier and better with the SQLite command line interface. Like and subscribe to get more useful programming tips.